Right, so here's our package. Let's gently open this up. I don't know where my knife is, so I'll just use the scissors. It's a bit awkward to do, trying to balance over a camera. Okay. Alright. So, spider farm. So, there we go. Oops. Okay, so we're going to carefully open this. And there's Avicularia Purpurea, female. Get the tank back up here. Alright, here we go. So it should be about 5 centimeters. All I can see. There she is. Oh, she does look rather large. Okay. I was backed in there quite well. Okay, there we go. Let's just do this with our hands. And there she is. Let's open this up a tiny bit more. So easy. Okay. I'll just give her a very easy tap. And you do have to be careful still. They are a nicer tarantula, but you never know. Still have to be careful. You can see the purples. She is a lovely little thing. Enclosure is probably the perfect size, to be fair. Come on, girlie. There we go. I'm just very, very lightly stroking the legs. It doesn't seem to want to come out, so... Wrong way. Wrong way. Okay, she's coming out now. Oh, scared her a little bit. Yeah, thank you, Spider Farm. Sweet. Close this up. And I'll give you another view of her in a minute once she's settled down. So yeah, I'll come back. So it's been a week exactly since we put our little Purpurea in here. And she spent the first couple of days up here in this little cocoon. And she eventually found this. She ate about 2 days ago, and now she's just tucked up. I'll see if I can. I don't think we'll see her, but she's down there. So that's where she ended up. She's done quite a bit of work. And she's eaten. I also put a pothos in here. It's not doing well because my grow lights broke. So I've got some coming. But yeah, it looks good. So yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll keep you updated.